Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a video just to show you guys my #1 tip as far as getting your milk production up and keeping it up. This is Milo. He's the one that mommy pumps for. So my #1 tip, you guys, I have my, obviously my pumping bra on. And I have my flanges and stuff in place here. I just wanted to tell you guys quick my #1 tip. I am actually down now. He's 6 months old. I am down to pumping 3 times a day. So I pump in the morning and then midway through the day and then once at night. Basically just from those 3 times, and I maybe pump a total of 8 minutes each time. I just have one let down now, and once that's done, I'm done. I basically get like 20 ounces of milk a day, which is really good because I'm still feeding him then, 3 bottles at least, 3 or 4 bottles throughout the day of breast milk. And then he also gets formula. But my tip, you guys, as far as getting as much milk out, as you possibly can, and to let your boobs know that you want to keep your supply up, obviously, would be once you're done pumping. So, once you look down and you see that your breast milk has stopped coming out, so once you have your final letdown, what you want to do is just grab onto your flanges and hold them against your boobs. What that's going to do is actually cause whatever milk is still in there to come out. So for me, usually my final letdown will be, or my one letdown that I have will be after about 7 minutes. And so then once I look down and notice the milk has stopped, I will actually grab these and push them against my boobs as tight as possible. And that will actually cause another letdown basically, or whatever milk is still, stuck in there to come out. Depending on the time of day, sometimes it'll take 20 seconds for that milk then to finally finish coming out. Sometimes it'll take a minute. It just kind of depends. But I truly believe that is why I get so much milk just from pumping 3 times a day. So I pump for like a total of 24 minutes and I'm getting like 20 ounces a day. So I would suggest that, if you're just starting pumping and you're trying to build your supply, or even if you're, 6 months into it like I am, maybe you pump more than 3 times a day, maybe you nurse. I would suggest doing it whenever you pump, just so you can try to completely drain out your boobs so that that's telling them again, hey, I want more milk, or I want more milk than what I'm getting, whatever. So yeah, that's my suggestion. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. If you guys have any other really good tools or tips, let me know too. I'm always, wanting to learn and find out new things. So yeah, thank you.